Hello everyone and welcome back to Conn. So in this video we will see how to create a funnel chart. So let's start. So for this double click on profit. Okay. And then here you can see the customer segment. Okay. So we'll just drag and drop customer segment into color. Okay, so here you can see there is 4 segment, right? And in the right hand side you can see the segment name, which is consumer, corporate, home office and small business. Okay, and then drag and drop profit into size. Okay, see, so I'll just do it from ascending to descending order. So you can see the depending upon the profit, the size also automatically increased or decreased, right? And now you can do it on enter view. Okay, so now to add more customization, you can drag and drop customer segment into label. So that you can see the blue color one is consumer one, the red color one is the home office one, the corporate one is orange color and the small business one is green color, right? And you can also add one more thing. You can do just drag and drop profit into label, so that you can see the small business has 65,305 profit, corporate one 54,444 profit, home office one has 54,434 profit, and consumer one has 49,895 profit, right? So in this way you can see. So here if your manager will tell you that he doesn't want to see this number, okay, he wants to see the percentage. So in that situation what you will do, just go to this drop down, go to quick table calculation and then click on percent of total. Okay, so that you can see the small business on 29.1444% of profit, but this is 3 decimal profit, right? So if you want to remove this decimal number, so for this select any one, then click on format, then click on this field and click on percent of total sum of profit. Okay, then we need to change this percent. Okay, so click on this number and click on percentage, and you can just see, you can just remove this. And if you remove this one to 0, then you can see the corporate one has 24% and the home office one has also 24%. So how do you know which segment has highest profit? So for this we'll make it as true only. Okay, so that you can able to know it is 24.30% profit and it is 24.29% profit. Okay, then close this one. So now if you don't want this small number for the size incrementation, just click on label, then click on this 3 dot. Okay, then select this one and increase the size. Okay, just a minute. If you want to change this one also, we can change to Tableau bold, then apply, then okay. Okay, so this is the simple funnel chart, and I'll just rename this sheet as funnel chart. Bold, and I'll make this for red. Okay, apply and okay. So I hope you have understood how to create the funnel chart. That's all for this video. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.